प्यारा है। इसकी समृद्धि एवं विविध शक्तियों पर हमें गर्व है। हम इसके उत्तराधिकारी बनने का प्रयत्न सदा करते रहेंगे। हम अपने माता पिता, शिक्षकगण एवं गुरुजनों का सदाचार करेंगे। उनके साथ शिष्टाचार का व्यवहार करेंगे। हम अपने देश और देशभक्ति के प्रति अमर रहने की प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं। उनके कल्याण एवं सुख समृद्धि में ही हमारा सुख निहित है। जय हिंद।
सभी को सुप्रभात। आज का वाणी प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ अरावली कनिष्ठ सदन की ओर से। आज का वाणी इस प्रकार का। वह सड़न जहाँ उत्सुकता उबाल पर हो, विज्ञान उसी को कहते हैं। विज्ञान का उत्साह अंधविश्वास के जहर का मारक है। मेरा वाणी फिर से। वह सड़न जहाँ उत्सुकता उबाल पर हो, उसे ही विज्ञान कहते हैं। विज्ञान का उत्साह अंधविश्वास के जहर का मारक है। धन्यवाद।
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Madam, learned colleagues and dear students, good morning to all of you. Dear students, today is 28th Feb and we are celebrating National Science Day. This day is celebrated to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. So before proceeding, other teachers are also requested to give floral tribute to Sir C.V. Raman.
जूता खुलेगा जूता।
मिला। तो क्या थी ये डिस्कवरी? दिस डिस्कवरी इज रिलेटेड टू ऑप्टिक्स. इट इज रिलेटेड टू स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. सर सीवी रमन ने स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट पे एक नई रिसर्च की थी. वो क्या रिसर्च थी? सर सीवी रमन ने देखा जब किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल पे लाइट गिरती है तो वो मॉलिक्यूल या तो लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है या स्कैटर करता है. और जो स्कैटरिंग लाइट है, पहले यह माना जाता था कि उसकी जो एनर्जी है वो वही है जो इंसिडेंट लाइट की है. बट सर सीवी रमन ने पाया कि जो स्कैटर्ड लाइट है उसका 0.01% और लेस पार्ट, उसकी जो एनर्जी है वो एक्चुअल एनर्जी से, जो इनिशियल स्टडी ऑफ लाइट. सो अकोस्टिक में और ऑप्टिक्स में सर सीवी रमन ने बहुत सारी अपना कंट्रीब्यूशंस दिया. इसके अलावा सर सीवी रमन ने एक मंथली मैगजीन को भी पब्लिश किया. दैट वाज द इंडियन जर्नल ऑफ फिजिक्स. इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1926. टिल नाउ इट इज अवेलेबल. एवरी मंथ वी गेट दिस मैगजीन. Then in 19 how science is related to Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards.
Respected Principal Sir, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. A warm good morning to all of you. Today I am going to talk about science and the Bureau of Indian Standards, how they are connected, and how science plays a crucial role in shaping quality standards. Science is the foundation of all knowledge about the world. It helps us understand natural laws, develop new technologies, and improve our way of life. Science is based on experiments, observations, and reasoning, allowing us to create solutions to treat real world problems. Every product we use, from food and clothes to buildings and machines, it's improved and tested using scientific principles. Now, what is BIS? The Bureau of Indian Standards is India's national body that ensures products and services are safe, reliable, and of high quality. It creates rules and regulations that manufacturers must follow to ensure consumer safety. BIS works in many areas, including food, electronics, gold purity, and industrial equipment. But how does science help BIS? Science plays a huge role in testing, verifying, and improving products. For example, in food safety, BIS uses microbiology and chemistry to check for harmful substances. It sets standards to ensure that packaged food, milk, and bottled water are free from harmful chemicals. In electronics, BIS ensures that gadgets like phones, televisions, and chargers don't overheat or explode through the help of electrical engineering and physics, which helps scientists test wires, circuits, and batteries for safety. Even in jewelry, BIS uses X-ray fluorescence technology to verify gold purity. We can check if a product is BIS certified by looking for a ISI mark or Indian Standards Institute mark. Some electronics have the CRS or the compulsory registration scheme mark instead of the ISI mark. BIS hallmark is used for gold and silver jewelry to indicate purity. Without science, BIS would not be able to define quality, improve safety, or build trust in products. Science provides the knowledge, methods, and tools needed to test and certify everything we use. Thank you and have a nice day.
Performed and prepared under the guidance of our beloved science sir, Dipankar sir. So give a big hand to our science sir.
Good morning to one and all. Today, on the occasion of National Science Day, I am going to perform an activity known as silent fireworks under the water. For this activity, we will have some water in a big beaker. And some oil in a small beaker. And we will mix some food colors in the oil. Now we will pour this mixture in a big beaker containing water. Since water is denser than oil, the oil will float above the water and the food colors will sink down. Falling food colors droplets will create beautiful and colorful currents will burst and mix up together. Clap. Thank you for your honorable time.
Thank you, Bishwajyoti. Next is Avarnil from class 7. He will perform activity on floating paper clip. Abernil from class 7.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to perform an activity. The name of my activity is floating paper clips. At first we take some water in a beaker. Now we take some paper clips and put it in water. We see that paper clips made of steel, being heavier than water, sinks in water. Now we take a piece of paper and put it on top of the water. And now we take a paper clip and keep it over it. Now we remove the paper slowly. As we can see, the paper clip is touched by the compass, so it sinks in water. Now we take it again and keep it in water. We can see that the paper clip floats in water. This is due to the property of water called surface tension. The cohesive forces between the water molecules is responsible for the surface tension. Thank you.
Next activity is related to static electricity. It will be performed by Sibenil from class 9th. Sibenil.
Good morning to all. On the occasion of National Science Day, today I am going to demonstrate a science activity which is based on static electricity. We have fixed a piece of mastic on the disposable glass and keep it inverted on the cardboard. Now I will rub this scalp on my dry hair and bring it near the mastic. We can see that the mastic moves as I bring this scalp near the mastic. This is static electricity. Because on rubbing this scalp on my dry hair, the scalp becomes negatively charged and the charge does not pass through the scalp because plastic is a bad conductor of electricity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The next activity is related to air pressure and vacuum. It will be performed by Dedipyaman from class 9th. Dedipyaman.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Today I am here to demonstrate air pressure and vacuum experiment. First, I am going to take some drop of water on this plate. I have taken some water so that this paper can stick on it. Now I will light up the candle. Now I will fix it on this tissue paper. Now I have taken a glass and I will put it inverted on this burning candle. After some time, the candle will blow off and vacuum will be created inside the glass as oxygen is consumed. Now, air pressure outside is much more. As my experiment has been failed, I will try again.
So the next activity is related to invisible ink. It will be performed by Sunandan from class 9.
Good morning to one and all. Today, in the occasion of National Science Day, I am going to demonstrate a science activity based on invisible ink. With the help of a brush, I have written some messages on this paper. Can you able to see it? Now, I spray some solution on it. We are now able to see it, yes or not? The solution that I used to write this message is sodium hydroxide, and the chemical that I sprayed on this paper is phenolphthalein solution. It is an indicator which changes its color to pink when it's come contact with base. Thank you.
There are two more invisible messages. If anyone can try it, if anyone want to come and spray this phenolphthalein indicator, you can come forward first. Two more
Anyone can come? Yes. From boy side. So next activity is a game on inertia. It will be performed by Rishikesh from class 9.
Good morning to another present here. According to the Newton's first law of motion, if an object is at rest, it will stay at rest unless a net force acts on it. So there is a game on that. I have 3 cups and 2 cardboards placed over one another. If we pull out one cardboard, the above glass come down and settle over the next glass. Similarly, the next two. Now, if anybody come from audience, can try. And
There are 2 pens.
there are 2 pens for him or her. Anybody please come.
From boy side also.
You can arrange the glasses yourself also, okay?
टेढ़ा हो रहा है थोड़ा आगे एक बार में एक झटके में हटा दो हाँ
Okay. So students, what you learned? Practice means perfect. So give a big round of applause to all these students: Vishjyoti, Abarnil, Subyanil, Dedipyaman, Sunandan, and Rishikesh. Raj Pratim, Sormistha. I would request Plapan Bora sir to come to distribute the prizes. The second prize goes to Shivalik team. I would like to request Anshuman Das, Anshunav Das, Sanjana, Abhishek, Jasingfa Borgoen. One student of our Vidyalaya got the certificate from Indian Association of Physics Teachers. It was an exam which was held in November, national standard examination. So she got the 99 percentile. So I would like to request Tanmoy Bhorali from class 10th.
9.
From class 9th, Tanmoy Bhorali. I would request principal sir to give the certificate. Appreciation prizes are also there for the students who performed the activity. So I would request all those students who performed activity to come on stage. Bisujoti Burman, Avarnil, Sibyanil, Dedipyaman, Sunandan and Rishikesh. I would request Science sir to come on stage. To distribute the prizes. Sanjana also come on stage. Sanjana. Thanks.
Respected teachers and dear students, very good morning to you all. Good morning, sir. As you know, just now we have celebrated National Science Day, conducted some activities, distributed some prizes. You see, this day, how it is auspicious, all of you know. You think of Sir C.V. Raman, who did all kind of innovation and research during pre-independence era without any sophisticated instruments. Still, he was so much confident of winning the Nobel Prize that he booked the ticket to receive the prize much before the prize was announced. It was his confidence. So we must have self-confidence among us. Now I have seen when opportunities were there, some students were called, come on to try some activities, there was a hesitation. Whenever there is a chance, there is an opportunity, we must grab it. We must rush for it. That is not happening. So I sincerely hope that you will try your best to conduct all activities, all opportunities that comes for you, you must rush for it. That will be the real celebration of Science Day. We must experience it in daily life. As you know, NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 emphasize on activity-oriented learning. So we must experience it through activities and learn through activities in a stress-free and joyous environment. So I hope all of you will come forward, and next year when we will be celebrating here, some more students will be here to get the prizes, particularly IAPT, that is a standard examination. I am happy that one student got this time. Last time we were nil. I hope next time we will have at least 3 to 5. Thank you all.